Okay, so dudugtungan natin. Kasi yung jerk is yung third derivative. Okay? Yung fourth derivative is yung crackle. Okay. Jerk, crackle, jerk, jaws, crackle, and pop. Okay. Mali. Ulit. Okay. Yung third derivative is yung jerk. Usually, hanggang dun lang yung kinukuha. Then, yung fourth is yung crackle. And then, yung last is yung pop. Okay. Yun yung derivatives of time position. So, yun yung importante, yung third, fourth, and fifth. Usually, hanggang dun lang. So, yung jerk, crackle, and pop, yun yung usually hindi na kinukuha. Kasi usually, binibigay lang ng problem is hanggang acceleration lang. Di ba? Kasi yung velocity is yung first derivative ng function na ibibigay. Velocity. Okay? Yung second derivative is yung acceleration. Then yung third derivative is yung jerk. Fourth derivative is yung crackle. And then yung fifth derivative yung pop. So ang unit nun is meter per, depende kung anong derivative sila, dun sila naka-raise. Yung exponent nila is depende kung anong derivative sila. Kagaya nung jerk, cube, di ba? And then yung crackle is fourth. Yun, depende yun. So yun yung mga ng time position derivatives na importanteng malaman natin sa application ng derivatives. Hindi lang sa differential calculus yan, pati sa kinematics. Okay? So, yun yung importanteng nalalaman natin. Additional knowledge in physics. Thankful for this day na nadagdagan yung ating physics knowledge o yung knowledge natin sa motion. Kasi usually rectilinear lang naman yan or motion along the straight line, and kinematics o yung qualitative description of motion naturo ni Sir Randy Solis nung high school ako. Malinaw yun. Lagi niya sinasabi, kinematics is defined as the qualitative description of motion. So, pag-aaralan mo itong mga to, kinematics yan. And then, yun na nga, motion along the straight line, rectilinear motion. So, yun yung importanteng nalalaman natin, yung jerk, crackle, and yung pop. Or yun yung karugtong ng jerk, acceleration, and then velocity na time derivative of time position. So, yun lang po.